My name is Boris Vallee. I am a finance professor at Harvard Business School. My research has been focusing on financial innovation. Within the finance segment, the classic tension is between voice or exit. Whether capital provider should voice their preference and engage with specific firms, or whether they should exit and divest from these firms. What we've been observing is that banks are increasingly internalizing non-financial preferences in their strategy. The bank coal divestment policies are an example of that. We look at the coal industry because it is the most carbon intensive. Any substitution away from coal into another source of energy should be beneficial in terms of addressing climate change. A much broadly encompassing ban would be more along the line of first banning the financing to any new project that are coal-related, with the idea that these projects are the ones that are increasing the footprint of that industries. So oil and gas is another major source of CO2 emissions. And the way we think about our result is that they should carry to that industry as well. When speaking to advocates for the divestment policies, I would have two main recommendations. The first one is on the strength of the bans. So in our analysis, we observe that the stronger the ban, the larger the reduction in financing, the more likely is an asset to be retired early. And second, there is the extensive margin of bans, which is aiming to broaden the scope of the phenomenon, having more banks join in. My message is simple, is that the data says it works.